We run about 52 routes a day out of here. We cover all three lines of business. We have roll-off, front load, and residential. We service our second and third largest municipal contracts out of this division. The second would be City of Easton, and Upper Macungie Township would be our third largest municipal customer.
We're more than a garbage company. Casella has proven that. Our service is impeccable. Our core values, one of them is service. Service not only to our employees, but to our customers.
The call center is really the backbone to servicing our customers. There's 36 desks back there, and they support our entire footprint across all three locations. They answer anywhere from 150 to 300 calls a day. We also have an online chat feature that gets manned out of that office. And then our shop out back. We do 3 full shifts out of this location, so the shop is basically 24/7, 365, and those guys do a great job keeping us rolling and helping us serve our customers.
The team is fantastic to work with. They know and they care more than any other team I've worked with in my history. I've learned a lot from them, and I can tell you within a year, the camaraderie, I would put up against camaraderie I've had at any other of my careers.
I just want to see us, keep growing, and the growth provides opportunity for everyone. All ships rise. So as we continue to execute and do our jobs well, I think the company grows and the locations and the division grows, and with that comes opportunities for everybody that works here.